beloved extra small white gloves, as well as our extra small blue. The blue, and then try those. See, you know how these ones go. So I'm gonna take out a pair of blue extra small medical natural gloves. And this is my first time doing this, so I haven't even tested it yet. So we're gonna stretch out the sleeve. Okay, there's the first one, and then we're gonna stretch out the sleeve of the second one. Okay. Just try to like get my hand in there to like get it. Okay, there we go. Now let me see. I'm going to so this is how you get a balloon to be in the shape of a hand. Okay, now that was my first attempt, okay, so this does not look as big as it probably could look. Let me see how it goes on my hand. About the same. About the same. All right. Let's try. Let's try to do it again. Okay. So, I'm gonna pinch the cuff. I am scared of balloons popping. That's like one of my biggest fears. So, let's do it again. Now, these are difficult to tie off just because the cuffs are really short. So by the time you try to get a good grip on it, the air goes out. So, because these are pretty durable also, and I feel like they have a longer cuff to tie them off. So let's try it. That's cute. Boxing. That's funny. And then you can try to, and then I can try to tie it off that way. But I'm gonna try to make, that was so cool, like, because I'd tried these on before, and then you watch, the fingers were kind of like inside out, and they went. All right, let's try it again. See, like a balloon. It's probably the hardest part, though, is tying it off. Okay. So if you were having a medical themed birthday party, just use medical gloves as balloons. yeah. Balloon time. As these are gonna get with this method, I know a lot of you in the comments will have critiques for me, but I'm gonna try to fill this one with air and see what it does. Try to put it on before it loses its inflation. Woo! See? And then after you're done using them as a balloon, you can wear them again. Multi-purpose. Okay guys, so I hope you really liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe and comment, and check out my Patreon. Thanks guys.